What's up, Internet? Matt here, and I have 5 of my favorite bands that I want to tell you about. I've been using the Ultra 2 in black titanium for about 2 weeks now, and there's a couple bands that I think that you guys should know about, and they look amazing with the new black colors. So let's go ahead and check them out, and we will go ahead and get started with the first one, which is the Nomad Rocky Point band. Now, this is a brand new band from them. It is a traditional classic buckle style, but it has a nice rugged feel to it. I really love the way it curves around my wrist, as well as how it is really wide, so it accentuates the large frame of the watch. And as you can see, I have pretty small wrists, but this watch doesn't look too big on my wrist because of the way this band is shaped. So shout out to Nomad for making a brand new style band and trying something different. I have this in the Storm colorway, and I think you will like it as an everyday band. It's very comfortable. Definitely check it out. I'll leave the links to everything that I talk about today down in the description. And let's go to the next one. Let's talk about the next band. Casdefi is back to celebrate the Ultra 2 in black titanium with the Bounce Odyssey. It features a rugged edge-to-edge protection and a breathable water and sweat resistant band for all day comfort. And of course, my personal favorites, the Bounce band and the Metal Link bands, also look great in black. The iPhone 16 got a new camera button, and the Ultra Bounce case is perfect for protection and photography on the go. With nearly 33 feet of drop protection and a camera lens protector, you're covered in most situations. The Ultra Bounce attachment system is also super versatile for any situation and makes it easy to keep everything on your person. And if you're looking for something a little more minimal, check out the Bounce case and the Impact Ring Stand case. Both are great for watching my videos. Go to my description box and click the link casedefi.com, Matt Gray, to get 15% off your order today. All right, so speaking of everyday bands, this is the Solo Loop by Apple. This is the woven Solo Loop. Now, I think this band is a great everyday band. I highly recommend you buy it smaller. I bought it a little large, and you can see it's kind of loose now. It will stretch out, but this is like the best band ever because you could just literally put it on and off by just opening it up. So I really like it. Really easy on and off band. And I mean, this is a very rugged watch, so I'm not sure how soft you really want the band to be, but also considering that this is a little narrow, it doesn't quite meet the edges of the, face or casing of the watch. So it doesn't quite match very well, but I do love how it feels, and it is very, very comfortable. I may try a different color and get a smaller size so I can really take advantage of this. And I sort of wish that there was a utility or woven or nylon version of this, something more rugged, because this is just such a comfortable style band. All right, this is the Alpine Green, and I feel like I've had this band since the Apple Watch 8 maybe, but this band is really, really tough. It's very dirty, very rugged, and as you can tell, it fits and it is very, very snug. I love how durable this band has been over the years. I have gotten it really, really dirty, really muddy, oil, dirt and grime, and it's just held up very, very well. It looks so good even after all of these years. So the Nomad Sport band, definitely check that one out. I think it's a good one to check out. All right, so this is the Casdefi Metal Link band, and I am in love with it because of its dual kind of texture design. It has a gloss and it has a machined or polished finish. I really think that it looks great with the black titanium. It's a little shiny on the sides. I wish it was a little bit more finished, but like a brushed finish, but I think that it looks great. If you want to check it out, it's really, really cool to look at when the light reflects off of it, which I think it kind of classes up the watch a little bit, just in case you want to wear it out or wear it in a dressy situation, maybe. I think you can pull it off. Now, the last band is the one that actually came with the watch. This is the Alpine Loop, and I am a fan of this band because of its durability and its comfort, but also just how well it stays clean and how well you can clean it. And, you know, just in certain situations where you're getting wet or anything like that, or muddy, you would think that this watch band wouldn't be as comfortable as it is, but it is extremely, extremely comfortable. Like, just taking a look at the band, you can see it fits around my wrist. I have the large size, so definitely get the size that you need. I could have gone with medium. However, I have large hands and the medium makes it hard to put my hand through. So I get large because of my hands, not because of my wrists, if that makes sense. But if you see, it actually looks really good with this jacket, you know? It kind of matches this black and tan I got going on here, you know? Hey, okay. Yeah. So these are my 5 favorite bands. I hope you guys have enjoyed them. Like I said, I have them all linked down below, and I will be doing a band collection video at some point. I just had some issues with audio, so I had to reshoot it. So I apologize, it's delayed, but I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay up.